Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this approved used Audi Q3 S line 35 TFSI. It comes dressed in the sleek Mythos black, sure to turn heads when on the road. To the rear you have the privacy glass adding a touch of mystery, and at the time of this recording the vehicle has done 4,740 miles. Standing on 19-inch alloy wheels with the 5 twin spoke design making a bold statement with every turn. For added convenience, the power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze when those hands are full. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the stylish leather upholstery, a centre armrest with 2 cup holders for those longer journeys, and the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. To the front of the cabin you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather upholstery, the iconic S embossed logo and front centre armrest. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a wide view of the 3D navigation map so no need to take your eyes off the road, connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones, and a variety of your favourite radio stations to choose from. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps for wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. On the car menu, with Audi Drive Select, to choose from your preferred driving modes such as Dynamic for a more sporty drive, or Comfort for those longer journeys. Parking aid for rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces, and driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place, radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations, and in the navigation map in 3D to help you easily find your desired destination. Below you have the dual zone climate controls so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature regardless of the weather outside. Stay connected with the 2 USB charging points, finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox and electric parking brake adding a modern flair to the car's profile, and 2 handy cup holders for those morning coffees. This approved used Audi Q3 is now available and on site. For more information please contact our sales team who'd be more than happy to help. Thank you.